this morning we are waking up a little bit colder than where we started our Tuesday, and we've got just a couple of clouds out there as well. Looks like a postcard, doesn't it? That's a view looking northbound from the Margaritaville Resort out at Fort Myers Beach, which has been a little chilly for our standards here the last couple of days, and this cold snap isn't quite done yet. We are going to see even colder weather for the late weekend into early next week. Let's start with today, though. Until 9 o'clock this morning, we have got a freeze warning there for DeSoto, Glades, inland Charlotte County, as temperatures this morning were down at 31 at one point at Punta Gorda Airport. We're at 40 right now in Fort Myers, 44 in Naples, and when you factor in the wind, it feels much cooler, but we are down a couple of degrees compared to 750 yesterday. Right now, the wind is sustained near 10. We have not seen the gust in the low to mid 20s like we did yesterday, but the wind is enough that we have readings here before the 8 o'clock hour of wind chill values in the upper 20s. I saw them as low as 23 to 24 this morning, and now that the sun is up, we will slowly start to climb, but we are going to stay well below average because this northerly wind will continue to gust 15 to 20 miles per hour, and that's going to push our temperatures back into the 30s overnight. Matter of fact, as we look at today, we hit 63 yesterday in Fort Myers, 64 almost across the board. Temperatures are going to be pretty uniform north to south due to the wind ushering in that dry, cold air. And tomorrow morning, we'll wake up again with temperatures approaching the freezing mark in DeSoto County and staying just a little bit above it there in Charlotte. But the wind chill values will drop into the 20s, so no big surprise that we have the same counties and same alerts in place from midnight tonight through 9 a.m. tomorrow. Forecast highs for tomorrow, though, get a little bit warmer. We're going to start to approach that 70-degree mark as we get a brief warm-up, if you will. Our average is 76, so we're still below that, and Friday morning won't be quite as cold. We'll stay in the mid to upper 40s. Across the rest of the country, Columbus was down to -7 at one point this morning, and the cold air is not done yet. Look at this. That's another big dip in the jet stream, and we're going to see a low develop here over the weekend, and that's going to drive cold air all the way through Florida. It also has the possibility here to bring quite a bit of heavy snow from Charleston through Raleigh, so the coastline there of the Carolinas. And on the back side, when that cold air comes sliding down the state, that's when we have the potential here to be breaking records Sunday morning and especially on Monday morning. Look at Sunday's high, 52 degrees. We could wake up at the freezing mark there on Monday, and that front will bring some showers and very windy conditions there on Saturday.